Good morning, y'all. This is Robert Davis back with you. It's 7:05 a.m. Sunday morning here, but whatever time or day it is where you're at, I hope you're having a really good week. What I wanted to do today, let's go ahead and fire up Delphi. There we go. And we're going to open this. This tutorial is a simple walkthrough to cover the FormCloseQuery once and for all, as it were. The notion is whenever you do a form close event on the main form, for instance here on the program icon, the close or Alt F4, that you get a confirmation box. It's not available by default, it just closes. Anyway, this confirms it, and what we're trying to do is give them the option to not close it after all. So we'll press cancel here. You see it just returns back to the application. Do this again. Okay, and it cancels. And then you have the other methods whereby you might want to close and exit here. I'll cancel out of that. Form close here, cancel out of that. And a button on the main form, close and exit, cancel out of that. But if you decide to click OK, it terminates the application cleanly. So let's look at the code for this. One of the first things you want to do is that you want to declare a unit var, unit wide, instead of declaring it over and over at the procedure or function level. And that's can close colon boolean. I suppose you can put whatever name you want, but this works well for what we're doing. And then this is the FormCloseQuery code, and like it says here, it's the money maker. If the user selects MB cancel, and that's what it equals, then can close is set to false, and then it follows right through and goes right back to the program. Else, can close equals true, another way that they selected MB OK, and close the database, terminate the application cleanly. And then on the menu item, file to click, you do the same thing. You just call a FormCloseQuery with the can close parameter, which is usually initialized to false. If I'm not mistaken, that's its default. All of these use the same code. It's the very same code for each of them. I won't close it yet. And you see that. And we'll go ahead and close out of that. So there you have it. It's that simple. On all your main forms, there should be this confirmation to close and exit. So you can look at this code over and over, pause the video, copy what you need to into your application. But those are 4 cases that generally occur in most programs. This provides for all of those. And that's it for the FormCloseQuery once and for all. Again, I'm Robert Davis. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope you have a great new week, and that you're healthy, safe, and prosperous. And we'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.